Nagpahayag ng pangamba si Manila Representative Benvenido Abante Jr. tungkol sa pagiging patas ni Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa sa investigasyon ng Senado ukol sa war on drugs. Kilala si Senator Bato de la Rosa bilang malapit na taga-suporta ni dating Pangulong Duterte at nagsilbi bilang PNP chief sa ilalim ng Duterte administration. Bagaman may agam-agam, suportado pa rin ng mambabatas ang Senate probe bilang karagdagang hakbang kasabay ng investigasyon ng House Quad Committee.
The thing is, he became the Director General of the Philippine National Police during the time of the former president. So I would think that he would be more biased than actually balanced in that hearing.